Welcome back to the Coyote build. As you can see, a lot has happened since you guys last watched. We installed our upgraded Willwood big brake kit. We installed all of our brake lines. We installed our e-brake cables. And we even ran our battery cables. Today our plan is to put the wheels on, get the car off this cart, set it on its own wheels, and put the engine in for mock-up. So we got the wheels all mounted up. We decided to vary from the original with some 17-inch all blacked out Halibrand replicas. They're a bolt-on style, so you won't have to mess with the knockoff portion of it. These wheels will go really well with the color scheme we have chosen for this car. Now that this car has its own wheels on it, we're going to take it off the cart and set it on the ground. Thanks for watching this week's overview of the Coyote build. Stay tuned next week as we continue the build process.